everyone. Do you know why it's raining when it should be sunny in April?
Do you know why polar bears are drowning?
Guys, it's all because of global warming.
Global warming is another word for rising temperature and heated atmosphere.
But what causes global warming? There are 4 representative greenhouse gases that cause global warming. First is nitrous oxide. It is from fossil fuels combustion and chemical fertilizers. It's stronger than carbon dioxide, but it stays about a century, so it stays shorter than carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is from your car also, and it stays about 2,000 years in our atmosphere. Methane gas is from cows, and methane is 25 times stronger than carbon dioxide, but it only stays about a decade in our atmosphere. And chlorofluorocarbons, it used to be used in air conditioners and hairspray, but since it was bad for it can harm your skin, and it degrades the level of the ozone layer. And the start was the UK, and then the other countries started to ban the chlorofluorocarbons.
As he explained, these are the greenhouse gases. They thicken the atmosphere, which caused rays trapped inside Earth. And because the atmosphere is near the sky, it makes dry clouds and frost-free seasons, and such as big hurricanes. So, what are the crops and plant disadvantages at the weather pattern change? Thick rain can cause flood, and loss of rain can cause dry crops and plants. What are the temperature rising? Too warm weather is causing our glaciers to melt, which is causing higher sea levels. And one of the many serious problems are the Maldives, and the fish are disappearing, and while the island is getting drowned by the higher sea levels.
Did you hear any news about the endangered animals shortly? Did you hear any coral reefs news? Coral reefs are bleaching because of the acidic water. They are very sensitive to acid. Already 60% are damaged. In 1988, there was the biggest El Nino. They damaged most of the coral reefs. Other endangered animals are polar bears, penguins, pikas, seals, sea turtles, koalas, orangutans, frogs and snow leopard, and pandas. Some live in the cold climate or other harmed by less rain, etc. Pandas are damaged, not really damaged, bamboos are. Bamboos are pandas' main food resource, and without bamboos, their habitats are destroyed. Did you hear any news about the polar bears too? They're drowning because of no glaciers.
As Subin said that glaciers are melting, I can explain why glaciers are melting. When sun rays come into our atmosphere, for example, there are 3 rays coming into our atmosphere, and it gets reflected because of the glaciers, but only one cannot get out of our atmosphere because there are too many greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and more. And when it gets reflected back from the atmosphere, it comes down and makes the glacier melt. And when it's melted, it goes into the sea, the sun rays, and the sea level is rising. But why should we worry about global warming? What is the effect? Someone will explain about what are the effects.
The effects are that the temperature of the Earth is rising, and many glaciers are melting, which is causing many problems such as endangered animals, drowning islands, and so much more. The solutions are riding on public transportation, recycling, and donating to organizations. Thank you.